Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to another episode. Today we're on a beautiful lake. Cold fall morning here in Washington. We just had a big ass storm and it was crazy. Wind, rain, trees falling down, but we are here, guys. We had a 3-day break and we're here at this beautiful lake. Beautiful. I just saw a fish jump over there, so there's fish jumping. But guess what, guys? We are bringing out the kayak today. Kayak's been sitting in the storage for a couple months, and here it is. There you have it, guys. Here is my kayak. It's a Lifetime Pro angler, and yeah, so far I've been having it for a year now. It's beautiful. If you guys would like to see a review on it, just comment down below. But I already see fish jumping here, guys, and yes, we're gonna catch and cook, so hopefully we catch one and enjoy it. And let's go. Alright, man. Alright, guys, I don't think that was the best way to go in, because that wouldn't be that bad, but we had a lot of water in the kayak. I didn't know it was gonna be that steep, but we're on the water, guys. You guys are in front row seat here in the kayak. If you guys are having a good angle right here. Let's see if I can turn you guys around a little bit right here. There we go. Alright, my friends. Hope you guys, let me see, I think I gotta fix the angle real quick. Alright, my friends, it's like 8 a.m. No breakfast. I only had a leftover Reese's Pieces. So that's pretty much it. I brought water and I brought our stove. If you haven't seen the last salmon episode that we did, I brought a stove and we couldn't use it yet because it just didn't get the fish it kind of wanted. But we brought it here, guys, to try it out. Haven't used it, so I'm so new to it. So let's get started. I bought a couple lures, guys, and the one I'm gonna start trolling with is this black blue fox, size 2, with the black, and in the back it's like gold. I saw fish jumping already, guys, when I got here. When I was doing the intro. Let's start casting, guys, and hopefully we can limit out to 5 here. So let's go. Not waste more time. It's been a while on this lake. I think it came in the beginning of the summer, but I don't think I did a video here yet. There we go. Spinner's out. Now, guys, just keep a look on your left side. When that thing goes down, let me know. Fish on, boys. Fish on. Fish on, boys. I think we have a fish on. Oh, we know we had a bite. We had a freaking bite. Guys, we had a bite. That thing went down. Let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Alright, my friends, we're gonna change lures because I think it's too dark. No luck on it yet, so we're gonna move to another blue fox somewhere here. Another blue fox, size 2, pink and silver. So we got better luck with this. We had a bite, I believe, when we first started. Other than that, no more action. Right, let's unwrap ourselves. There we go. Come on. Alright, my friends, we've been trolling for quite a while now and nothing. There's fish jumping, man. Alright guys, we've been trolling for quite a while. No fish, which is, for me, it's unbelievable. But we're gonna switch things up here, guys. We are gonna go old school power bait. I like trolling most of the time. It's what I like, but it ain't working today, guys. It ain't working. So we're gonna set up an old rig, and we'll get back to fishing here in momentarily, and I'll show you guys the setup. Alright, my friends, here's a setup. I have a small weight, a bead, a swivel, a good length of line, and 2 power bait nuggets. So let's toss it and hope for the best. Fish on, boys. Fish on. Fish on, boys. Fish on, guys. Hell yeah. Come on. Fish on, boys. Oh, yeah.
The rain comes.
Fish on, boys.
The rain comes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, it's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck. Let's go! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Fish on, boys. Fish on. Heck yeah. Woo. Let's get it. Oh, jeez. Alright, guys. We put them out already. Woo. Guys, we trolled forever, guys. Let's get it. Guys, I forgot my pliers today. Alright, let me get this hook out. Guys, we have a fish. Fish, fish, fish. Let me get this hook out, guys. Woo-hoo-hoo. Where's the hook? Grab a trout, let me clean him up because he's bleeding. Woo. Alright guys, trolling did not pay off, but power bait, you can never go wrong with power bait. Look at this beautiful rainbow trout, guys. Look at this bad boy right here. He is gonna be our dinner. Guys, we have dinner for tonight. For today, I mean. Wow. Just look at this beauty, guys. Beautiful trout. He's still alive. I'll put him on the stringer. And we start the catch and cook. But we're still gonna put another, we're gonna put more nuggets out there and hope we can get more. But let's start dinner, guys. Let's put them on a stringer. Let's go. All right, my friends, check it out. While we wait for more bites, we got our new MSR stove. So let's check it out. And let's get it. Catch and cook today, boys. All right, cool. Fresh can, brand new. And I believe this is like a little robot. Let's see. Yep, it just goes up, little arms. Right on, like this. Alright, like that, and then we'll squeeze it in there. Guys, so excited. I bought this a while back and I haven't yet used it. Oh, yes, heard that. All right. So, off, on. Alright guys, there we go. Here's a little burner. Let's see. There we go. And my friend, and this is the kitchen set we bought. This is where we did that coho, catch and cook. Pretty cool. Comes with a couple pans, more inside. But I only need the pan fryer. So let's get this guy on here, just like so. All right, looking pretty good here. So once again, here's our beautiful trout, rainbow trout. Nice, pretty good size. We are hungry, so let's get him cleaned up. Let's get him cleaned up as fast as we can because we're hungry. All right, my friends, we had to cut the trout in 3 pieces. This is our trout right here. Nice and cleaned in the inside. You see that? Nice and clean. Let's put them here for now so we can get the oil started. Alright friends, let's get this fire started. Let's find my lighter first. Right here. This is amazing, guys, because how you can catch your food and just eat them like right away, you know, nice and fresh. So here we go, guys. Turn it on. It's on. Ooh, hear that? All right, so let's put our pan in there. Some oil. And let's fry this bad boy up. Alright guys, right here what I have is multi spices. Little container has it's for seafood, pepper steak, that's for chicken. There's a lot of things right here. I'll show you guys. So what we're gonna season the thing. So what we're gonna season the trout is with the seafood. It has mustard, onion, carrots, what else? Dill pepper. So looks good. So let's get this guy out here. Actually, we're gonna use this other plate to season our fish. Right here. Throw those guys in there. I'm gonna season it with the seafood spice. There we go. We're also gonna add, it says black pepper, salt, and paprika. It's like a little chili one. Get some nice and spicy. So I like spice. Oh! It's still good, guys. Alright, guys. Let's get it. Oh my god. Alright. Just those spices in the inside. And we're going to add oregano, black pepper, and parsley. There we go. And that's it. Let me show you guys how I ended up. So there's our trout. Look at the inside, guys. Woo! All right, the other one. There we go. And then the tail. Probably add more a little bit. We're gonna add a little bit more. Here we go. It's time to get it. Here goes. First one. Alright guys, we're gonna throw the other one. Let's flip this guy over. Looking good. Oh, throwing the tail in there, guys. Oh yeah. Check this out. Check that out. Woo. Some of you guys want to go out there and fish and cook it yourself as well. Wow. Alright, my friends, no more bites yet. I just checked the smallest pole, and it had no par bait, so we threw it back on there. So our trout is ready. So let's dig in. Again, like I said, guys, we put the seafood. This is mustard, onion, carrots. We put black pepper, salt, paprika, and we put oregano and basil and black pepper and parsley. So let's dig in, guys. I am hungry. It is about to be noon. I forgot the sauce that I was gonna bring. It don't matter. At least I didn't forget this. So, guys, I'm excited for the tail. Let's get the tail first. Just like a nice chip. Nice and crunchy, toasty. Can't complain. He has that flavor though. A little bit of everything. This trout. Taste this. So amazing. You can't beat the trout. Trout everywhere you go is delicious. Let's check this out. Alright, you guys see the bone? Look at this, just meat. Just the meat falling off. The bones, back. Now, we are left with just pure, check this out, pure meat. Just left with pure trout meat when it's cooked on the right temperature. No more trout, but hey, at least we got our trout for today and our, what was it, breakfast for today, because I haven't ate nothing today either. Okay, some bones. Guys, we are done with our trout. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please. More videos like this are coming out. Like I said in the beginning of the video, guys, had the kayak storage for a couple months. Didn't really use it. We were doing some more with salmon. Salmon is still running, and we had other fishing plans, but right now that the weather cleared up, because right here in Washington it's the rainy season right now, so when we get a chance like this, like breaks, you know, we have to come out and fish what we can. So I am going to bring out the kayak more, so hopefully you guys just like this video, guys, and if you want to see more kayak adventures. And yeah, guys, we tried to troll for at least 2 hours and nothing. We changed spinners and nothing. We saw fish jump, but no success. So I decided, all right, we got to go to the bank, change the fishing today. So we used par bait and thanks to the Lord, we caught one. So hope you guys like this catch and cook. The new MSR little stove that we bought, really good for pack out hiking. So I personally like it. So we're gonna keep it, and hope you guys like the kayak. It's been in storage for quite a while, but we're gonna bring it more often. So just hit the like buttons if you like the kayak adventures. We're gonna be doing more of that, and if the weather lets us, because here in Washington, fall, and it gets really messy with rain and the storm. So hope you guys enjoy, guys. I'm gonna start cleaning up my mess, putting things away, and getting out, enjoying the rest of my day with my family. I hope you guys enjoy your day with your family as well, or by yourself. If you have the chance to fish, come out and fish, and yeah, spend a good time. And all right, guys, this is it for today. Stay blessed, stay fishing. Till next time.